The decor industry has changed, and HP is providing you new ways to grow your business with a new wallpaper solution. HP PVC-free durable wallpaper is unique in that it retains Type 2 certification, including scrub and scratch durability, even after printing with latex inks. So, what does this mean? Greatly reduced production costs and time, and a world of new opportunities for your business that simply were not possible with traditional PVC vinyl wallpaper. The old way with traditional PVC wallpaper was messy and time-consuming, requiring a great deal of post-production work prior to installation, increasing labor costs as a result. It wasn't designed for high-traffic areas without a top coat, which made commercial wallpaper a challenge. Worst of all, without the post-production work, it produced foul odors, allowed mold and mildew to form easily, was a fire hazard, and more. The new way, with HP PVC-free durable wallpaper, turns the tables in every way. It doesn't require any post-production to retain Type 2 certification, such as top coating or lamination. The breathable construction eliminates the need for micro-perforation, saving you even more time and money on labor. And because it comes with multiple environmental certifications, is odorless, and is mold, mildew, and flame resistant, you get increased market opportunities in places like hospitals, schools, restaurants, and airports. HP PVC-free durable wallpaper is the clear choice for those looking to decrease overall job costs, improve production time, and make more money. HP PVC-free durable wallpaper, the revolutionary product you can't afford to ignore. To find out more, contact your HP large format media specialist today.